In this video, I'm going to be assembling the Ego 8-inch earth auger. This one comes with a battery and charger, normally sells for $4.99. I'll put a link in the description below. If you want to buy it off Amazon, it'll show up at your doorstep in 1 to 2 days. So right here on top of the box, we have an instruction and a toolkit. Got the battery charger and the battery. This is the 4 amp hour battery that comes with. Let's just go ahead and check the charge. So it looks like it's a little under half. So we're gonna go ahead and get that on the charger. So hopefully by the time we get this all assembled, the battery will be charged up. Now while the battery is charging, we'll go ahead and get this auger all assembled. So here's all the basic components. You have your power head, 8-inch auger, 2-piece handle, and on the way home I stopped at my local Harbor Freight and I got a 21-inch auger extension. So now I'll be able to dig 21 inches deeper than the factory auger. What we need to do is install the handles onto the power head. Now this is the battery pack side, so the battery pack is going to be facing me. The handle with the trigger is going to be on the right, and this handle here is on the left. Now you'll slide these handles into the grooves on the power head, and you'll have 4 screws front and back, and go ahead and tighten all this up with the tools provided. And go ahead and tighten up the other 4 bolts on the other side. Now once the handle is completely secure, you have one electrical connection right here. These just fit together. Screw the 2 nuts together till it's tight, and now it's time to put on the auger. It simply just slips onto the motor shaft, and then you have a pin to hold it in place. Do it for the basic assembly. All you have to do is throw a battery pack in this, and it's ready to go dig some holes. So once you get it home, just plan on about a 1 hour charge time, but you'll have this all set up and ready to go in about 30 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.